Removing the post date in WordPress can give your website a cleaner look, especially if you want content to appear timeless or if the date is irrelevant to the type of content you're publishing. There are two ways to remove the post date: using a plugin or custom CSS. Here's how to do it. Using custom CSS, go to WordPress Customizer. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Customize. Open Additional CSS section. Navigate to the Additional CSS section. Add custom CSS code. To hide the post date, enter the following CSS code. This code targets the post date element and hides it from view. Publish changes. After adding the code, click Publish to save the changes. Using a plugin. Install a plugin. Search for a plugin like WP Meta and Date Remover by going to Plugins, Add New. Install and activate it. Configure plugin settings. After activation, go to the plugin settings page and enable the option to remove the post date. Save settings. Save your settings and the plugin will automatically remove post dates across your site.